Ready? Everybody, cheese!
Red. Great.
Good.
I don't like these.
Uh-oh. Last one.
And then next time we buy 2.
Oh no. You found it.
And next time we buy 2.
2 back. 2 back.
Great! Dada, honey. Show them me smooching that cherry.
Here, wait, hold on. Let me see the cherry. I like your lips red. Let's see.
I'm not eating
See your
tea.
lips. Cherry chopstick. All right, cherry cheese. Ready? Everybody, cheese.
I had to get up. I had to get up.
Oh, can I just give her a cherry chopstick?
She can eat it.
She's chewing it.
Stay. Bye, 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 bye. Bye. No. Tickle. Where are you? Pickle. Show me with me, Dad. Show me your in there.